The thing is, everything is fine with Rohit, and I don't think so it's anything traditional. I think the head coach is there. That should be fine. That should be good enough. And we're going to have a look at the wicket and finalize it tomorrow. I mean, those are just reports. That's not the truth. And I don't think so. I need to answer to any reports, to be honest. And there are some honest words. That's all I can say. And honesty is very important. Honesty is extremely important if you want to probably go on and achieve some great things. See, I'll tell you one thing. I think Indian cricket will always be in safe hands till the time we've got honest people sitting in that room. And honesty is the most important thing for any transition. And it is not about phasing out senior players or getting the youngsters in. Ultimately, the only thing that can keep you in that dressing room is the performance. And it starts from all of us, not only from the players, from the coaches as well. And I said that Indian cricket, the kind of talent there is in Indian cricket, I think we will always be in safe hands. Yes, there'll be times when we might not get the results. There'll be times where we will have to be patient. And more importantly, I think rather than only criticizing the young players, I think we've got to give them time to develop as well. Look, there is only one tendency and there is only one discussion that it's the team first ideology that matters. It's a team sport, and you got to play what the team needs you to do. That's as simple as it can get. People can play the natural game, but still, in a team sport, individuals only contribute. It's the team. If you need to play in a certain way, I think you got to do it. देखिए, पहली बात तो है कि सब इंडिविजुअल्स को पता है कि किस एरिया में काम करना है, और ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ पर मैं कोई इंडिविजुअल्स के बारे में बात करूँगा, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली आप एज ए टीम जीतते हैं और एज ए टीम ही हारते हैं. और जब आप अपने देश के लिए खेल रहे होते हैं तो हर व्यक्ति यही कोशिश करता है कि अपना मैक्सिमम कंट्रीब्यूट कर सके. तो वो इम्पॉर्टेंट, और ऐसा नहीं है कि जो डिबेट्स एक प्लेयर और कोच के बीच में होती है वो उनके ही बीच में रहनी चाहिए. आप सिर्फ रिज़ल्ट देखते हैं, और फॉर्चुनेटली अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये स्पोर्ट सिर्फ रिज़ल्ट के लिए ही जाना जाता है, बट कॉन्वर्सेशन जो होती है वो दो इंडिविजुअल्स के बीच में और वो ड्रेसिंग रूम के बीच में वो वहीं तक रहनी चाहिए.